Hello, my name is Jessica and I'm from Anvil Analytics and Insights, and today I wanted to review system segments in Google Analytics. So to add any of these segments, we're going to come up here to the Add Segment button. On the left-hand side of this pop-up, we're going to choose System. Now these will show you all of the different pre-built segments that are available in Google Analytics. And you can see the list is pretty expansive here. It contains things like converters, non-converters, new users, returning users, organic traffic, paid traffic. There's a lot of different things in here, so I encourage you to come in here and take a look. For this demonstration, I'm going to go ahead and add a mobile traffic segment and a tablet and desktop traffic. Now, I have 3 segments selected. You can choose up to 4 if you want. For this example, I'm going to stick with these 3. And then I'm going to go down here and click Apply. Now you can see that all of these segments have been applied. And if you want to navigate to any of these reports over here, you're going to find that these segments are persistent. So they're going to follow you until you come up here and remove them. That's really all there are to system segments. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our newsletter at our website anvilinsights.com to stay informed about other topics we will be covering in similar videos like this.